Customer, how much one you want?
1K is enough. Chike, do you know I haven't done my homework and I'm scared to go to school? Miss Fumi would be so angry at you.
Idris, I'm very angry right now. Stand up and tell me why you didn't do my homework.
You see, those videos you just watched were made with just two tools. Yes, two AI tools was used to create and make those videos. And these tools are free to use, they are easy to use, and they leave no watermark. They leave no watermark at all. And these tools are very good for you that want to run a faceless YouTube channel for free without having to pay for anything. The tools I use for this video are Meta AI and Grok. Meta AI is used to create the image, that's to generate the image, while Grok is used to turn this image into video. Even your own photo from your phone can be turned into a video. Now let me show you how to make this video very easy with just two tools. Go to Chrome or the Safari browser and just type in meta.ai. This is how the interface looks like. This is how the interface of meta.ai looks like. Now you want to log in, like sign in. If you are not signed in yet, you want to sign in so you can be able to access all this thing. Once you sign in, like put in your email and everything, now you can now access everything. Now we are going to write our prompt for this image. Prompt is that particular word, like describe your image very well, the word, how you want that image to look like, how the words you put together for the image to come out right. That's what we call prompt. So I'm going to put this particular prompt for this image and I'm going to write it off camera so it won't take time. To get a well-detailed prompt, you can go over to ChatGPT, describe your story, describe how you want your image to be, and it will develop a well-developed, well-detailed prompt for your image. This is the prompt we are using. This is the prompt we are going to use today. So I am just going to send, tap on the send button. I'm going to send, and it is generating. This is the image it generated for us. Yeah, this is an image. This is the image generated for us. But I do not like this image because I want it to be in an African setting. I want it to be in a, like, I want everything to be in African. The same prompt, but I'm just going to tweak some things, like to put it in African. So I'm going to be changing the prompt. Every little thing I'm going to be adding African. An African female teacher, like the same prompt, but I'm going to be repeating it, but changing the prompt to African, like putting African, make it well detailed on how I want the teacher to be. I want the teacher to be an African teacher. This is the new prompt I am using. So I'm just going to send and it will develop an image for me. It doesn't take time to generate a new image. Yeah, this is the image that was generated from that prompt and I actually love it. So I am going to screenshot. Yes, look at the difference. Look at the difference between this and the other one. Now I'm going to screenshot. I'm going to screenshot the image to my phone. So I'm just going to tap on an image. This is how the image looks like. Now, if you want to recorrect, if you want to correct something in the image, you just tap on this animate. You tap on animate or you tap on image. You tap on the image concept and explain the image and say, oh, I want this image not to be like this. I want it to be like this. But I don't have any I don't have any issue with the image, so I'm just going to download. As you can see, I'm downloading the pictures from the I'm downloading the pictures. So you download all the pictures you'll be needing. The ones you don't need, no need to download, but I downloaded the ones I need. I'm just going to go ahead and download the images I need. I'll download the images I'm going to use now. And I'll go to the next prompt, which I'll be showing you now. Yeah, this is the next prompt I want to work on. The second image I am going to work on. This is it. So I'm just going to generate this image. It will not take long. Yeah, this is the image I generated. That prompt brought out this image and I actually love it. I love this. I love everything about it. So I'll be choosing the one I want to use. I'll choose the one I want to use and screenshot or I download it. Okay, these images are actually okay. I'll just go ahead to start downloading them one after the other. Now, if you want to edit any image, you see where there is edit image, you check out the kind of style you want to use and edit it to your taste. but I am okay with this. It's colorful as I want it to be. So I'll just go ahead to start downloading the one I know I want to use. Or I mostly download 2 or 3 because I just feel like, okay, I'll just have to start tweaking it to know the one I will choose. So I just have to download it now. Now we are done with creating our image. Now we need to create the video. And for the video, we are going to use Grok AI. So let's go over to Grok AI. And that is how you make your image talk. You see that simple step? Just create your image and you make them talk. Now we are done with creating the image. We want to create the video. Now this is how Grok AI looks like. You will tap on Grok. Immediately you tap on Grok. Now you see this ask, you can ask any question. I just wanted to show you. Now I typed in an image of a man and a woman in love, and yeah, publish it, like send it, and it will show you, it will give you whatever you ask. That's the meaning of ask there. It will give you whatever you ask for. So for now, we are not going to the ask section, we are going to the imagine section. So you are going to tap on the imagine. Now you see this thing down, you see this photo section down. You will tap on it and tap on your photo library to access the photos that we downloaded, that we created on Meta AI. So we are picking this photo. I picked this photo and you can see immediately I even picked it, it started generating a video. So I'm going to write a prompt. Okay, I'm going to write a prompt to let the butcher say something, to make a statement. You see, immediately we even put it up, it is already creating a video for you. That I'll show you the video it's created, and I'll show you the video after I just put in the prompt. It's not going to take time. Let's just wait till it gets 100. Now that's the video without prompt, and this is the video with prompt. It's going to. I just finished writing the prompt, so we are going to wait till it's 100. Immediately get to 100. The prompt, like the prompt we put in, is going to follow the prompt we put in now.
Customer, how much one you want?
As you can see, that's the image it generated after we prompt it, after we gave it a prompt. So now I am going to tweak some things to put a command for the customer there. So I'm going to put in more prompts because I do not want him to smile. I want him to speak in an African accent, like in a Nigerian or an African accent. And I want the customer to also say something, like to say something. So I am just going to put in more prompts. Immediately I put in the prompt, I'm also going to send it with this arrow here. So just look at everything I'm doing. I am putting in, okay, African accent, and make him already, like make him ready to cut the meat. I decided to tweak the prompt and regenerate it again because I wanted to add one more thing. I wanted to add something the customer will say. I wanted to add a prompt for the customer. That's why I want to regenerate another one again.
Customer, how much one you want? 1K, Henry. Customer, how much one
I'm
you
very sure you
want?
heard. I'm very sure you
1K.
heard everything the customer said. He made a mistake. Okay, I won't call it a mistake. Like he did not say it nicely. Like 1K. I do not like that. So I am going to rewrite the prompt and send it to regenerate another video again. Now I'm showing you how many times I'm regenerating a particular video to get the perfect one. So this is how it's going to be for you. It's not just once you put in the prompt, it's going to come out well. There are sometimes you tweak it and tweak it. As you can see from the video, I have created 4 video with this same prompt, 4 video from this same particular image, because I want to get the best one. So you have to calm down and focus on, like, once you notice a mistake, just correct the prompt and regenerate again.
Customer, how much one you want? 1K is enough. Right. Customer, how much one you want? 1K is enough.
I think I'm okay with this particular audio. I'm okay with this audio, so I am going to be keeping it. So now let's go to the next image. This is the next image I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be working on this particular one. As you can see, immediately I just chose the image, it started generating a video for me. Immediately you choose a image, Grok will start generating the image for you. So you need to start writing the prompts immediately. Just start writing the prompts. No need. Leave the image to generate. If you like it, keep it. If you do not, just generate a prompt and use the prompt. You see that video is what it just generated for us. It generated this video for us. But I'm going to still put in my prompt because I do not want it. Like I said, we want this image to talk. Our goal is to make this image talk. So I am going to make a prompt for the boy by the right to say, Chike, do you know I haven't done my homework and I'm scared to go to school? One trick about making a video with any image, one trick about making your AI video with an AI image is that you need to prompt well. If you have a character, more than one characters, and you want them to converse, you need to prompt well. If you do not know how to get prompt, if you don't know how to prompt, you need to just go on ChatGPT and it will generate a prompt for you.
Chike, do you know I haven't done my homework and I'm scared to go to school?
Now that is a very good audio. That is a very, very good audio. So remember, it's the one by the right we told to prompt. We told the one by the right to make a statement. Now we are going to be telling the one by the left. That is how you create a video with consistency, like a video with consistent characters. You either prompt them at that moment, but Grok does not do more than 6 seconds video. So I want to give the left one a prompt. I want to give him a prompt like for him to say, ah, teacher is going to be so angry with you or something like that, because this one said he hasn't done his homework and he's going to school regardless. So we want to put a prompt that we make him scared or make the both of them know that they are in deep trouble. Like, the teacher would be so angry at you. We'll just leave that one to generate. We are going to leave it to generate. And while generating, I remembered, okay, I have another idea. Oh. Let me put in another idea. And this idea should be like, Miss Miss Fumi would be so angry at you. And I generated it again. Even if I was putting another prompt, I generated it again. I just tapped on it and generate it again. So it will give me the video I recently, like the last video, the last prompt I put in. That's what it's going to give to me.
Miss Funny will be so angry at you. Miss Funny will be so angry at you.
That's a very good one. That is a very good one. So I just want to put in a dramatic way, in a dramatic tone.
Miss Funny will be so angry at you. Miss Funny will be so angry at you.
And that is what it can give us. That is what it gave us in a dramatic tone. So I'm just going to go ahead to download every single thing, like download every single video I have created. As you can see, I tapped on the download button for this one, and it will be downloaded straight to your phone. That is how you can create your own faceless videos using just these two tools. No matter what you want to talk about, just create an image and then upload it for it to be turned into a video, and you've created your own faceless video. It's that easy. Very, very easy. One tip I will actually tell you is that make sure you script your image well. There's a saying that says the way you stand is the way your picture is going to come out. The way you prompt your image, the way you put in your image, the way you want to make your image look nice is the way it will come out for you, and is the way you use to make video. There is nothing that is going to change about that image. So make sure you prompt well, put in what you want, describe the character if you want any description, you describe anything you want in the video. Make sure you describe it well. And if you can't do this yourself, make sure you use the help of ChatGPT or any other script tool that can generate a proper prompt for you, and just input it and create an image. If you enjoyed this video and you would love to see more of something like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, share the video. I will definitely see again in another video. Bye.